mix. I'm just in my zone. They be lying now, they calling me Richie lying now.
I used to buy and sell, I was on the strip getting clientele.
Wait, don't say that.
When you say act, we gotta go legit now. We
Gotta pay tax, made back everything that we put in back then.
So them know everything I on my head.
Flow retro, light up my lighter and get my head
blown.
I'm just in my zone. You be lying if you said I wasn't something that you're into. Don't be starting in front of your friends, you know what I'm into. Don't need to hide it. You could be mine, let's take it slow. Manny's a hater. All in the slide, I came for you.
You'd be lying if you said you wasn't eyeing up the wretch. Girl, you're free to see the best and you ain't even got stress. I already got the message, I don't need to read the text. We'll really speak in depth when I'm deep between your legs. You played the light game on Insta for a week or two. Then you jumped in my DMs like peekaboo. But girl, I'm from the era of the Nell Jones. Hit you on the house phone, I knew who I was speaking to. I'll be lying if I said that I was trying to be your equal.